Security guard and construction worker arrested with marijuana at Weldaad Roadblock. 2 men, including an Atlas Security Service guard, were apprehended on Wednesday, April 3, 2024, around 1700 hours during a roadblock conducted by Weldaad police station ranks. The operation led to the interception of a motor car bearing license plate number HD 1785, heading towards Georgetown. Upon halting the vehicle, officers requested to search both the car and its occupants. Compliance was observed as the driver and 4 passengers, including 29-year-old Ian Williams, known as a Black Boy, and 21-year-old Hayasi Saul, exited the vehicle along with their belongings. During the search, a large parcel wrapped in transparent plastic, suspected to contain cannabis, was discovered in Ian Williams' bag. Williams, a security guard residing at 107 Virginogan, EBE, admitted to owning the drug, stating he was attempting a hustle. Similarly, a transparent plastic containing suspected cannabis was found in Hayasi Saul's bag. Saul, a construction worker residing at 47 Stanleytown, New Amsterdam, Burbus, admitted to owning the drug for personal use. Despite a thorough search of the vehicle and the remaining passengers, no suspicious items were found. The confiscated drugs, along with Williams and Saul, were escorted to Weldaad police station, where the suspected narcotics were weighed. Williams' stash amounted to 2,385 kilograms, while Saul's weighed 43 grams. Both individuals are currently in custody at Fort Wellington Police Station as the investigation continues. Statements have been obtained as part of ongoing proceedings.